like, comment, share, subscribe, or don't. I don't care. I'm just chilling in the hammock. It's cold outside, but it's warm in here. Like, comment, subscribe, blah blah blah, blah blah blah.
It is quite funny, really. It's 6:45, and the sun's gone down. It's a red glow in the distance. Very pretty and scenic, and bloody cold. But yeah, 6:45, bedtime, basically. I'll probably have the radio on for another, I don't know, 10 minutes, and that'll be it. I'll be stripped off, bullet naked, and belly boys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's interesting. It's not like an old man thing. It's a case of I've got no interest in lighting a fire just for content. I've gone from a channel I was using 2,000 people. I was getting quite a few views on my camping videos, but I was just getting constant grief from YouTube for no reason. So I've gone back to having a channel now with 43 subscribers. So yeah, I don't do content just for the sake of it. I'm a hiding hole. Yep, nicely hidden. And I can hear the friggin', I'm assuming it's squirrels, pissing about in the trees. You can see evidence of them on the ground here, like cracked open chestnuts. There's no fucking chestnut trees up here. But for some reason they come up here to hide the things in the ditches. I mean, the temptation to go up there, if my leg wasn't quite so sore from walking up here, I'd pop up there for the view. But going up there for the view might be very nice, but it's so treacherous because it's steep, really, really treacherous. And all I've got to do is twist my leg a little bit and it'll snap. It's that simple. Because of the metalwork that's in there, it would just snap. So it'd be nice, you know, nice view of the shitty Castle Estate town on the coast, and I'm not that bothered. I was a bit claustrophobic in the hammock because I had it pulled down on the sides. Really must remember to bring in my radio, which is dangling. Well, so I got that side now just tied up on the paracord, just so I got a bit more psychological space, so I don't feel as confined, so I can see out. And it was so dark in there with a double layer, I couldn't see a bloody thing. I was trying to get me sleeping bag sorted. So that's now 5 to 7. Not a bad setup. Must dig out the oven ready. It's in there. It's in his bag. I just won't bother taking it out of the bag until probably later. I'm going to bed. I'm just not going to be sleeping. It's just I don't really come up here to sleep. I come up here just to relax. My dangly walking stick. I'm pretty sure some little fucker tried climbing that last time. One of the squirrels, I think it was one of the squirrels. I could hear it like wobbling around. It's interesting because when you're tied to a tree with the straps and your cord, you can feel it when they're in the trees because it vibrates down through you. But even if it were to piss down, it would have to be blowing a gale, and there's no sunset. Okay, sunset was half an hour ago at least, but you still got like the afterglow, which means it's going to be full dark in 10 minutes. And I'd rather not be on this treacherous fucking wall, which I slipped over last time. Not good. But it's these pointy bits. I'm knocking out some of the ones that were right underneath me that were like real spine snappers. So yeah, 7 o'clock. Strip off belly pies. I've had not much to drink really, spirit-wise. At some point I shall do something with this ground because it's not too bad because it's fairly hardly compressed there, and it's it slopes away quite severely, which is a good thing because whenever I piss in the night, that's where it lands. So if it were just soggy ground, like, fuck off, you noisy bastard. I swear some of these big bastard budgies are auditioning for Jurassic Park. Like real fucking dodgy noises sometimes. Yep, that's enough. That was a squirrel hiding. He was in a tree, just heard it rustling. What was I saying? Yeah, if it was like grass or something underneath me, it'd be more of a concern because it was soaking in the urine and it would stink. But because it's hard compressed ground, it just flows away. Noisy fuck.